The men's 100 meters, the most anticipated race in all of track and field, the race that crowns the fastest man on earth. At the last Olympic, the world watched in anticipation. Two names stood out above the rest. Noah Lyles, American sprint sensation, confident, fearless, and determined to prove he was the best. And on the other side, the young Jamaican prodigy, Kishane Thompson, calm, focused, carrying the hopes of a nation with a rich sprinting legacy. When the gun fired, Thompson rocketed out of the blocks. His start was clean, his stride fluid. He surged ahead, looking unstoppable. For 70 meters, he was in command. The Jamaican fans were already celebrating, but Noah Lyles had other plans. With the poise of a champion, he began to close the gap. Every stride, he clawed his way back. And in that final moment, at the very line, Lyles leaned. Just enough, just in time. Gold for Lyles, silver for Thompson. The difference? A heartbeat. For Kishane, that loss was more than a defeat. It was a lesson. A reminder that in 100 meters, it's not over until the very last inch. He walked away not broken, but motivated, determined that next time the ending would be different. Fast forward to today, August 16, 2025, Diamond League, the rematch. Noah Lyles versus Kishane Thompson. This wasn't just another race. It was unfinished business. The stadium buzzed with anticipation. Could Kishane turn the tables? The gun went off, and immediately Thompson exploded out the blocks like a man possessed. His stride powerful. His drive phase perfect. He looked unstoppable. Lyles, as always, tried to mount his charge, but this time the gap remained. Thompson held his form, lifted his knees, powered through the lines, and crossed first. Victory was his. Redemption complete. The roar of the crowd said it all. The man who once fell short had now beaten the Olympic champion. Kishane Thompson had his revenge, and now the rivalry is alive like never before. This isn't just about one race. It's about pride. It's about legacy, about who will stand as the true king of sprinting. So the question becomes, what happened next? Will Lyles bounce back and remind the world why he's the Olympic champion? Or will Kishane Thompson prove that a new era has begun? That Jamaica has once again found its next sprinting star? The stage is set, the world is watching, and the anticipation for the next showdown is what the world is looking forward to. Kindly press like on this video, share it with someone to celebrate Kishane's win. Until our next video, do take care.